The best Chromebooks are straightforward, family-friendly, and often more affordable alternatives to laptops running Windows or macOS, while still offering good performance to help you power through a busy day at work or school. Take the Acer Chromebook Spin 314, for example. Despite being more than a year old at this point, its Intel Pentium and 6000 processor is powerful enough for the everyday tasks that Chromebooks excel at, while also offering a full HD touch display and a 2-in-1 form factor that makes it usable as a laptop or tablet. Price is a key factor when it comes to Chromebooks. After all, they're positioned as budget machines. Most Chromebooks will offer better value for money than the best Windows laptops with similar performance, since Chrome OS is a lightweight operating system that doesn't demand high-end internal components to run smoothly. Since Google unveiled its new Chromebook Plus format last year, and more recently pushed ahead with implementing its Gemini AI into Chrome OS, there are now more Chrome-powered laptops on the market than ever. We've reviewed dozens of Chromebooks over the years, and we're here to use our many years of experience to help you find the best Chromebook for your needs and budget. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 the best Chromebook in 2024 and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Acer Chromebook Spin 314, 2023. MeBook Spin 314, 2023 is ideal for those who just want a straightforward and cheap solution to getting that full laptop experience. Unlike other budget-level Chrome OS models, it comes with a 14-inch 1080p display and enough power to do everyday tasks. In fact, it handled day-to-day performance well when tested. Of course, we were not so impressed by its 128 gigabytes of storage. But that's one of the compromises here, along with the fact that it can get a little warm if you push it beyond its limits, as it's powered by an Intel Pentium chip and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Keeping in mind its price, we like how portable it is. At just under 3.5 pounds, chucking it in a backpack or messenger bag is no work at all. Add in a solid typing experience and battery life, and you could take this anywhere to get some work done. If you do want to get a little spicy, the Acer Chromebook Spin 314, 2023 does have that 2-in-1 form factor, so it can easily double as a tablet if you so choose. Sometimes you see a laptop and you think, that's the cutest little thing in the world. I need that. And that's exactly what I experienced with the Acer Chromebook Spin 314. The little laptop encompasses everything that makes Chromebooks so popular. With a simple but familiar design, this would be the perfect laptop for young students, hybrid workers, or people who are looking to break into the world of Chrome OS. The satisfying keyboard and thin design come together to bring you a portable, quirky, and professional laptop that'll get you through the work or school day with one charge. Number 4. Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 3 Chromebook. We're always learning, but some of us are learning more than others. Younger students are sure to benefit from the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 3, which packs a rather rugged build quality that is well suited for users who want to quickly stuff everything in their backpack or are likely to drop things on the floor. The keyboard base is solid and the hinge is very robust, enabling it to survive any amount of careless handling. This isn't the most powerful Chromebook, but students need reliability more than power, especially if they're only really using it for homework, note-taking, and perhaps the occasional bit of Netflix. Fortunately, the IdeaPad Flex 3 has a seriously impressive battery life. Our testing yielded a whopping 16-hour and 20-minute result, which will allow them to make it through a whole day of school without needing to plug in. It's also very affordable, which should provide a nice bit of financial relief for parents who need to buy their kids a school laptop. Number 3. HP Elite Dragonfly Chromebook. The HP Elite Dragonfly Chromebook is still the best Chrome-powered laptop on the market. Even if its pricing means that it won't be the best pick for everyone, at least not in its higher-end configurations. While it's probably the most premium Chromebook ever to hit retail, there are a few more affordable entry-level models that will make a strong case for any students looking for a slick, powerful laptop with Chrome OS. It's one of the most powerful Chromebook we've ever tested. In fact, it's the best-scoring Chromebook in our Kraken and Jetstream 2 tests, beating out the Acer Chromebook Spin 713 by nearly 200 points. Even the entry-level 12th Gen Core i3 configuration still packs some seriously solid specs that would make a lot of other Windows and macOS laptops blush. Featuring some of the best security features we've ever seen on a Chromebook, including the first Chromebook to ever come powered by Intel Pro, this is the perfect lightweight and portable productivity Chromebook. Just be prepared to spend a whole lot of money for the privilege. The HP Elite Dragonfly Chromebook is easily the best Chromebook for business we've tested, offering incredible performance, great design, and decent enough battery life. It's also easily the most expensive Chromebook we've tested, so this definitely isn't for your average consumer. Number 2, Acer Chromebook 516GE Chromebooks are still a topic of some debate. Many will argue that they're not truly gaming devices, since they rely on cloud-based game streaming services such as NVIDIA GeForce Now to actually run the latest games without the need for powerful local hardware. By this metric, any Chromebook can be a gaming Chromebook. With the 516GE, though, Acer is making a surprisingly strong case for this new breed of Chromebooks. GE naturally stands for Gaming Edition, and this is just that, a solid Intel-powered Chromebook, with some slick new features added in to appeal to the gaming audience. Chief among these is this display, a crisp and colorful QHD panel with a 16:10 aspect ratio to provide more screen real estate. With 100 Hz RGB color reproduction and good maximum brightness, it's one of the best screens we've ever seen on a Chromebook. The 120 Hz refresh rate is also vital for ensuring a smooth frame rate during intense gameplay. The speakers have seen an upgrade. We've got Wi-Fi 6E and a physical Ethernet port to ensure a speedy connection, and the keyboard has been given a gamer-inspired RGB makeover. The only real downside here is that you'll need to pay for a subscription service like GeForce Now or Amazon Luna. But there's some good news. Google is handing out 3-month subscriptions for free with gaming Chromebook purchases. Though the title of the first gaming Chromebook is a bit overstated, the Acer Chromebook 516GE is an excellent gaming machine when paired with streaming services. However, it's still not capable of direct Steam gaming, which is unfortunate. Number 1. Acer Chromebook Plus 515. Just because the bar is a bit lower performance-wise with Chromebooks doesn't mean you should live with a sluggish laptop. The Acer Chromebook Plus 515 may just about hit that budget-level price range, but with its 12th Gen Intel Core, i3 and 8 GB of RAM, it's more than enough power to get most users through their day-to-day needs. When we tested it, we found it to not only do wonderfully with those everyday tasks, but it was powerful enough to run Adobe Photoshop, newly available on Chrome OS, as well as the NVIDIA GeForce Experience, meaning you can use this for some forms of gaming. The battery life is a bit underwhelming for a Chromebook. When tested, it lasted only 5 of the 10 advertised hours in our battery test, but at least it takes less than an hour to charge back up. The rest of the package here is strictly on the positive side, as the keyboard and touchpad are satisfying to use, and the 15.6-inch 1080 touch display offers quite a bit of screen real estate. Oh, and if you're environmentally conscious, you'll be happy to know that quite a few materials are made of recycled materials. The Acer Chromebook Plus 515 is both a solid productivity machine in its own right, with specs tailor-made for work, and a surprisingly balanced laptop that can handle light editing and even native gaming. Its main downfall is that its battery life can't keep up with everything it does.